Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Sharifuজ্জামান Sojib. I have completed my graduation from Gopalganj Science and Technology University in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Now, I am very much excited to present the project MediDhaka. Here I have used some tools and technologies. Now, let's see my backend code structure. This is my main.go, and main.go is very clean. The serve.go is under CMD package. Here basically I have connect the database and the repository and start the server. This is my start function under REST package. In my start function, here I have used middleware chaining and initialize the router and finally listen and serve on the port which is taken from the .env file. Here let's go to my initial routes. This is my init route function. Here I have defined all my REST API services for my projects with the help of GuerrillaMux. Let's see my folder structure. Here is my config. Here I am actually configuration my database queries for my three tables. That is DB connection. Here I have connected with my Postgres database, and this is the repository. This is the doctor repository. Here the database structure. Here is my all doctor repository interface. Create list, get, update, and delete. And this is the create function. This is the list. This is get, update, and delete. And similarly, the hospital doctor report.go. Here the relation between hospitals and doctors, and the hospital report.go for create, get list, and update, delete the hospitals. Now let's see the REST packages. Here I have handlers and middlewares. Here I have a special type of handlers. There is search handler. It's basically built for global search where we can search by doctor or hospital both. And this is the middleware. Here I have two middlewares, the course handler and the logger middleware. And this is my util function. Let's run the backend. My server is running on port 4000. Now let me check. Yes, my server is running well, and this is my all doctors list. This is my postman. Here I have the hospital services, the doctor services, the SN relation, and the global search. Now let's see my front-end code structure. This is my front end. This is my package.json file. Here I have tried to keep minimal for the dependencies with this project, and this is the layout of my TSX. Actually, it's the entry point of my project, and this is the project page.tsx. This is the SRC directory. Here I have app and components, constant, custom hooks, and store for managing the Redux and article query. This is my full store functionalities. Now let's see the app. In my app, I have three routes: the dashboard route, the doctor's route, and hospital routes. In my hospital route, I have a component, the dynamic routes, and the main page. Similarly, the doctors, and I have a global layout for web layout. So let's run the project. And in my browser, localhost/3000, and this is my front end. This is the home page of my project. Here I have a specialty carousel, the recent articles, the specialist, and the footer. It's very simple. And here is the global search. Here I can search by doctors or hospital both. So let's try. Here I have taken the maximum length 3. By clicking here, I have to go to the doctor's details page, hospital's detail page, and by clicking the C wall, I directly go to the doctor's page or the hospital's page. And this is the global search, and this is my hospital route. Here I have a carousel with a smooth animation and some hospital's card. This is the details page and the assigned doctor under this hospital. And let's go back. And similarly, I have a doctor's route. Here is the search bar, the doctor's card with pagination. There is the doctor's details page. So let's go back. Let's go to my dashboard. This is my dashboard view. From here, I can manage all crowd operation. Here I can make a search and can also edit and delete. Let's me check. I have edited this hospital and I want to delete this hospital. Okay, this is deleted and this is my whole list. And here from here I can edit a new hospital. I have some hospital records. So let's create a hospital. The hospital created successfully with ID 28. I can also edit and delete this. Let's go to the doctors. Here I have 15 doctor and similarly at the doctors section I can create, edit and delete the doctors portal. So let's create a new doctor. From here I can assign the multiple hospitals. The doctors saved successfully and also I can delete this doctor. So that's it. Thank you everybody.